Look at her go, man. She's hauling the mail. She is in a big hurry. She's in a big hurry. She can't figure that gate out. She's in a hurry. Peaches, come here. Come on, big girl. Come on. Push it. Push hard. Good girl. Good girl. Good job.